Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and safe. Let us move on to your video. Your lesson name is Water. Your lesson name is Water. Today's topics are Journey of Rain, Water from glaciers, melting glaciers, stream, river and waterfall, river and sea. Journey of rain. Children, which is the main source of water? Which is the main source of water? Do you know? Here, rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Children, do you know we use water for many activities? Cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, and so many activities we need water. Animals use water for drinking and bathing. Birds also use water for drinking. Yes, so we need water. Plants also need water to make our food. Plants also need water to grow, and we also need water to grow, to protect from various diseases. Children, do you know per day you have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water? Then only you can get energy and you can become taller and stronger. Yes? Rain is the main sources of water. Here the rhymes journey of rain. Journey of rain. Drip drop they drop from the sky. One by one they multiply. Drip drop they fall on the ground, everywhere with a lovely sound. Everywhere with a lovely sound. Drip drop they seep into the ground to grow healthy saplings all around. On hot sunny days, they go back to the sky to come again on another cloudy day. On hot sunny days, they go back to the sky to come again on another cloudy day. Drip drop they drop all the way to keep all of us happy. To keep all of us happy. We love rain. We all are love rain and enjoying the rainy season. Yes, my dear children, you all are enjoying the rainy season, no? Yes. Here, saplings. Saplings means plants. Saplings means plants. Okay. See, left hand side, see the picture, children. The hot sun evaporate the water and reach to the sky. Clouds, to become a clouds, they touch the cool air and again come again with the rain. This is the water cycle. This is the journey of rain. The sun helps to evaporate the water and to form small droplets of water to become the clouds, and again they touch the air with cool and again come again with the rain. Okay. Water from glaciers, melting glaciers. What is meant by glacier? Did you saw in Himalayas, Kashmir? Yes? Ice. You make a snowman and playing with that. Yes, that is called glacier. A glacier is a slow moving block of ice. Slow moving block of ice. What is meant by melting glaciers? melting of glaciers or the drop from the snowy mountains when the weather is warm. See this picture, children. One is glacier. Another picture is the glacier will be melting with the warm weather. Stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. From the glacier, many of us join together to form small streams. From the melting glaciers, many of us join together to form small streams. See the picture, children. The stream flow happy. Yes? River and waterfall. River and waterfall. Many mountain streams join together to form a river. Sometimes rivers or streams flow down as waterfall. Sometimes river or stream flow down as a waterfall. It looks like a waterfall. It's very beautiful, no? See this picture, children. River and waterfall. River and sea. A river continue the journey across forest, village and cities. Farmer use this river water for farming. And people used for drinking, cooking and for other needs. River finally reached the sea. See the picture, children. On left hand side is river and right hand side these two pictures are sea. It's very beautiful. Then thank you, children. I hope you all understand this session. See you in next session. Thank you, my dear children. Save water.